Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the install will run cleanly. Make sure your device meets minimum RAM and disk requirements, and verify the image checksum to avoid corrupted installs. Once done, prepare an 8 GB or larger USB stick and write the Warm Wind OS image with Rufus or Etcher. Choose the recommended write mode. This step prevents boot errors and saves time later, so complete it now and eject the USB safely when the write finishes. You should now boot the machine from the USB and enter the installer. If Secure Boot blocks you, disable it in UEFI, then select the USB as the primary boot device. Once the Warm Wind installer loads, pick Install Mode and configure time zone and keyboard layout. These avoid locale issues. Create a user and strong password. For storage, use automatic partitioning for an easy setup, or choose custom to create root, swap, and home partitions for more control. This affects performance and complete the installation and remove the USB when prompted, so the system boots into your new Warm Wind OS. After first login, run system updates and install any device drivers. Enabling the firewall and adding essential apps secures and customizes your setup. If something fails, check system logs in /var/log for clues, reflash the USB and retry the install, and verify hardware drivers. If networking or display issues persist, reboot into live mode to test hardware before repeating the install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.